Okay, today we're going to look at an investment problem to help with the review for your test. So it says Bob has three investments totaling $80,000. These investments earn interest at 5%, 7%, and 9% respectively. Bob's total income from these investments is $6,200. The income from the 9% exceeds the total income from the other two investments by $1,000. How much does he put into the 9%? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, let's just say my X represents my 5%, the Y represents the 7%, and the Z represents the 9%, just so we know which one is which. Okay? So it says he puts money in totaling $80,000. So if I just put in X plus Y plus Z, I know that's got to equal 80,000. Now it says these investments earn up to 5, 7, and 9. Bob's total income from these investments is $6,200. So if I attach the interest rate, so 5% and 7% and 9%, if I add those to that, not Y, but that would be a Z there, and that's going to equal how much he made off that investment, which is $6,200. Okay, and then it says the income from the 9% investment. So if I take the income from the 9%, which is the 0.09Z, that exceeds the total income of the other two. So if I add 0.05X plus 0.07Y, it exceeds it by $1,000. So I have to add $1,000 to that side. So right here is your systems of equations to start with. Okay. Now there's several different ways you can go about solving this system, but I like to not have all these crazy wonderful decimals in there, so I'm going to just simply rewrite it as X plus Y. Whoa, not sure what happened there. Try that again. X plus Y plus Z equals 80,000. Now, in order to get rid of these decimals here in the second equation, I just multiply everything by 100. So it's 5x plus 7y plus 9z equals 6200, and add the two zeros there. Make sure you do it all the way across. And again, multiply that bottom one by 100. You get 9z is equal to 5x plus 7y plus 1000. Add your two zeros, so that's 100,000. Okay. I just like to do it better that way than not have to mess with those decimals and forget what I'm doing with those. If you want to keep it as that, it's fine. Okay. We're trying to solve it for the 9%. So we're trying to get the Z one all the way by itself. Okay. What I'm going to do is, like I said, there's always several different ways you can see it, but I see it as if I could get rid of this 5x plus 7y right here, and I see this 5x plus 7y right here, I'm going to take this equation right here and solve it, get that 5x plus 7y by itself. So I'm just going to subtract that 9z, put that 9z on the other side. Okay? So what happens now, I have this 5x plus 7y and this 5x plus 7y. I'm going to substitute this all in for that right there. So when I do that, I'm going to come up with 9z is equal to, now instead of saying 5x plus 7y, I'm putting in this wonderful number right here. And then just put in your 1,000, or 100,000, sorry. So once I've done that, I can just add my 9z back, 18z, add those two numbers together, 720,000, divide by that, and you get a total of $40,000. That was put in to the account for the 9%. Now there could have been ways that you could have done it like we've been doing it, solve for the X, solve for the Y, solve for the Z, however you want to. But I was just trying to make a shortcut so we didn't spend a lot of time on that. So there is your review for an investment type problem.